the market slowly gaining some traction, but the stock on our radar right now is Somani Ceramics. They're likely to report their numbers very soon. We're joined by Abhishek Somani, the joint MD of Somani Ceramics. Welcome, Abhishek. Could you run us through your numbers first? I believe there is some delay on the exchanges.
Right. So we've done fairly okay on the quarter and on the year front. On the quarter, we've grown at about 12%, and on the year we've grown at about 22% on the net front. So that's been the numbers. If you remember last year, the fourth quarter, there was an aberration where Morbi, where we do a lot of joint venture manufacturing, was shut in the whole of month of December. Therefore, there was an influx of that kind of material coming in Q4. So if you have to discount that aberration, we've done very well in the quarter 4. And on the year, like I said, it's been 22% growth on the net front. On the PBT front also, we've been able to increase our margins. Last year was about 3.5%, and we're up to about 4.3% this year on PBT front. And on the PAT front, it was about 2.2% last year, and this year it's about 3%, which is on the annualized figure.
Okay. Abhishek, I'm not sure if I got your overall EBITDA margin performance this time. You did last quarter, you did 7%. What was it this quarter?
Right. So last year we did 6.7%. Okay, the quarter is more or less the same. It's about 6.8%.
Okay.
But I would halt you here in saying that EBITDA for us is not the right barometer, because a large part of our manufacturing comes from joint venture and contract manufacturing, where there is no D and there's no I.
All right. So could you give us a sense of what proportion of your top line was contributed by the joint venture? Because the last time it was about 20%, and the company had indicated that it will increase year on year. So if you could give us a sense of what proportion has come from the joint ventures?
Yeah, so this year manufacturing was about 55% and the balance was from joint venture.
Okay. Just give us some more.
It's the other way around. The joint venture was 55% in manufacturing. I'm sorry, I got it wrong. 55% was manufacturing and 45% was joint venture.
Right. Could you give us the exact net profit for this quarter?
The exact net profit for this quarter was 14.78 crores.
14.78 crores.
And last year was, yes, 14.7. Last year was 11.18 crores.
Okay, fair enough. Can you give us a few more parameters, Abhishek? What exactly was the volume growth this time round? And for example, I think you saw 19.7% in the previous quarter. So what did you manage this quarter, and what was maybe your value as well as volume growth?
So 19.7% was the total growth last quarter, and this year generally our volume and value growth is 50-50% divided, whatever that number is. So for example, we grew at 22% on net front in the entire year. To give you an indication from that, about 11-12% has been volume and the balance has been value.
All right. So in the last quarter, when you have you been able to take some price increases? Because we spoke to a couple of ceramics companies, and they said that the demand has been quite muted.
Yeah. Demand has been muted in certain fronts, specifically the real estate segment, which is the private builder segment, but retail has not been muted. It's not too bad. Therefore, price increase in our industry is not been there for a long time, and it remains to be that way, because there is a large portion of our industry which is unorganized and comes from this one region called Morbi. So whatever increases we take in realization is on account of our value added mix. That again has changed for the better in the last quarter and continues to be changing for the better in the subsequent quarters.
So in that case, could you give us a breakdown of your products, vitrified tiles, ceramics and others, the proportion of revenue? Because last time 53% had come from vitrified tiles.
Right. No, 53% came from ceramic tiles and the balance came from vitrified tile. This year vitrified tile is slightly better, so it's reversed. This year the vitrified tile has exceeded the ceramic tile by a small margin.
Okay. Abhishek, leave us with some guidance. You were estimated to do around 20% in terms of growth this fiscal, and I assume that you've managed that. Can you tell us what FY16 is looking like?
Right. So we grew on gross numbers 20.6 and on net numbers, which is more important, at 22% this year. And growth clearly has come off in the last 2 quarters in terms of this one particular category, which is the builder, the private builder segment. That continues to be muted, and I don't see any huge improvement in that in the next 6 months. Therefore, we are very sure that we will not be reducing the growth forecast very substantially, but we are looking at approximately an 18 to 20% growth very comfortably even this year, and you will see that happening in Q1.
And what do you think you could maybe do on your margins and profit?
Right. On margin front, we've been maintaining that every year we would be adding about 0.5% on PBT, and we would continue to do that.
Okay, Abhishek, we leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and talking to us. So that stock is up around 7.5% for FY16. The management is expecting around an 18 to 20% growth coming in. They did around 20% in terms of full year sales as well this quarter as well.